Stop scrolling for just a second. If you're running a business, managing projects, or even just trying to get that one critical task done right, you know the struggle. Finding reliable, high-quality freelance talent online can feel like navigating a minefield. You invest time, money, and hope into a project, only to sometimes end up with, well, let's just say less than stellar results. The freelance platform you choose? It's not just a detail, it's fundamental.
Wow.
It dictates the caliber of professionals you connect with, the smoothness of your workflow, and ultimately, the impact on your bottom line. Trust me, I've been there. I've navigated the vast ocean of online freelancers, hiring across multiple platforms for various projects, from branding to complex web development. I've experienced the frustration of mediocre work that needed endless revisions, but I've also witnessed the magic that happens when you connect with a truly exceptional professional who just gets it and delivers beyond your wildest expectations. My own journey led me from using the standard Fiverr marketplace, which absolutely has its place, to exploring and ultimately relying on Fiverr Pro. The difference wasn't just noticeable, it was transformative for the quality and efficiency of my projects. But is it right for everyone? And what's changed leading into 2025? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the generic overviews. I'm going to share the 5 critical things you absolutely need to know about Fiverr Pro before you spend a single dollar in 2025. We'll cover what it really is, who it's perfect for, and who should probably stick with standard Fiverr, the key benefits you can expect, the potential drawbacks to watch out for, and the exciting new features rolling out. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture and be able to decide if Fiverr Pro is the strategic talent partner your business needs. And hey, really quick, because I want you to have the best possible experience if you do decide Pro is for you, I've managed to secure a special link directly with Fiverr. Clicking the very first link in the description below gives you exclusive access to browse and hire directly from Fiverr Pro's elite pool of freelancers. This isn't the standard sign-up, it ensures you're immediately seeing the best of the best. So keep that in mind as we go through this review. All right, let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is Fiverr Pro? Think of the standard Fiverr marketplace as a massive, bustling city market. Tons of options, varying quality, great for finding quick, budget-friendly solutions. Fiverr Pro, on the other hand, is like the curated, high-end gallery district within that city. It's the premium, invitation-only tier of the Fiverr platform. The core difference? Vetting. Unlike the standard marketplace where almost anyone can offer a service, every single Fiverr Pro seller has undergone a rigorous application and verification process. We're talking about a deep dive into their portfolio, validation of their professional experience, often requiring years in the industry, proof of successful projects with high-profile clients, and consistently outstanding customer feedback. Seriously, only the top 1% of applicants actually make it through this process. So while you might use standard Fiverr for a quick social media graphic, a simple blog post edit, or basic data entry, and get great results for the price, Fiverr Pro is specifically designed for businesses, entrepreneurs, and agencies who require a higher level of expertise, strategic thinking, and polished execution. Think sophisticated branding packages, custom website development, professional video production, in-depth marketing strategies, high-converting copywriting, and complex technical tasks. These aren't just freelancers, they're seasoned professionals. Many Fiverr Pro sellers have resumes that include work with Fortune 500 companies, renowned agencies, and globally recognized brands. They bring that level of strategic insight and industry best practice directly to your project, often providing a level of service you'd typically only expect from a full-service agency, but with the flexibility and direct communication of hiring a freelancer. Okay, knowing what it is, the crucial question becomes, is Fiverr Pro the right fit for you and your specific needs? Let's break it down. Fiverr Pro is likely an excellent investment for you if 1. You need agency-level quality and strategic input, but maybe you don't have the budget or need for a full agency retainer. You want that top-tier polish and expertise. 2. You value reliability and predictability above rock-bottom prices. You're willing to invest more upfront to minimize risk and ensure a professional outcome. Time is money.
Time is money, lad.
Time is money. Time is money.
Time is money.
And you want to reduce the back and forth often associated with less experienced freelancers. 3, you want a streamlined hiring process. Because pros are already vetted, you spend significantly less time sifting through profiles, interviewing, and worrying about whether someone can actually deliver. You're hiring proven talent from the get-go. 4, your project is complex, high stakes, or core to your business strategy. Think cornerstone website builds, critical marketing campaigns, major rebranding efforts. However, Fiverr Pro might not be the best choice if 1, you are operating on a very tight budget.
We are on a very tight budget.
We're on a tight budget here.
Pro services inherently come at a premium price point. We'll talk more specifics shortly. If cost is your absolute primary driver, the standard Fiverr marketplace likely offers more suitable options. 2, your project is relatively simple, low stakes, or doesn't require deep strategic expertise. Need a quick photo background removal, a simple voiceover for an internal video, or a basic spreadsheet formatted? Standard Fiverr often excels here and saves you money. 3, you actually enjoy the process of discovery and vetting talent yourself, and you have the time to invest in finding hidden gems on the broader marketplace. Think of it this way. If you're that startup needing a killer, conversion-optimized landing page that could make or break your launch, investing in a Fiverr Pro copywriter and designer makes perfect sense.
Yeah, it does.
But if you just need 50 social media post ideas brainstormed quickly, a talented seller on standard Fiverr might be perfectly adequate and much more cost-effective. It's about matching the tool to the task. So, assuming Fiverr Pro sounds like a potential fit, what are the tangible benefits you gain, especially looking ahead into 2025? Beyond just quality, let's get specific. Benefit 1, access to handpicked, proven experts. This is the cornerstone. You're not gambling. You're accessing a curated pool of professionals who have already demonstrated excellence, saving you immense time and reducing the risk of project failure. You can hire with confidence. Benefit 2, often faster turnaround and priority service. Many pro sellers structure their services to offer quicker delivery times, sometimes even within 24 to 48 hours for certain tasks. They understand business needs and deadlines. While not guaranteed for every gig, the overall professionalism often translates to more efficient project completion. Benefit 3, dedicated and enhanced customer support. This is a significant differentiator. As a Fiverr Pro client, you often get access to a dedicated success manager or priority support team. If issues arise, which is less likely but possible, you have a more direct line to experienced help, unlike the standard support channels. This adds a layer of security and peace of mind. Benefit 4, crystal clear, transparent pricing. Pro gigs typically have well-defined packages and upfront pricing. While custom offers are common for complex projects, the pricing structure is generally very clear. You know exactly what you're paying for and what deliverables to expect, minimizing budget surprises. Now, no platform is perfect, and it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides before committing. For Fiverr Pro, there are 2 main considerations. Downside 1, the higher cost. Let's be direct. Fiverr Pro services cost significantly more than standard Fiverr gigs. While base prices might start around $100 for some simpler pro tasks, many projects involving strategy, complexity, or significant time investment will run anywhere from several hundred to several $1,000s. You are paying a premium for that vetted expertise and quality assurance. It's an investment, not a bargain hunt. Downside 2, the refund policy. While you get better support, Fiverr Pro still operates under Fiverr's standard terms of service regarding disputes and refunds. If a project genuinely goes wrong, which again is less common with pros, resolving disputes and securing refunds can still sometimes be a complex process. It's not an automatic money-back guarantee if you're simply unsatisfied subjectively. My advice? Mitigate this by always communicating your needs crystal clear up front, thoroughly checking the pro seller's specific reviews and portfolio pieces, and potentially requesting a detailed custom offer that outlines milestones and deliverables before placing a large order. Fiverr isn't static, and they're continually investing in the pro platform. In 2025, Here are a few key enhancements making the experience even better for serious buyers. Feature 1. AI-powered freelancer matching. Forget endless scrolling. Fiverr is rolling out smarter AI algorithms that analyze your specific project requirements and instantly suggest the most relevant pro freelancers. This promises to save even more time in the discovery phase and increase the likelihood of finding the perfect fit faster. Feature 2. Enhanced collaboration tools. Communication is key. New tools are being integrated to facilitate smoother real-time collaboration, file sharing with version history, and more intuitive feedback loops directly within the Fiverr Pro order page. Think fewer emails and more streamlined project management. Feature 3. Exclusive client perks and loyalty rewards. Fiverr Pro is increasingly rewarding repeat clients. Expect to see more exclusive perks like potential discounts on subsequent orders with favorite pros, early access to new platform features, and even higher tiers of priority customer service for loyal buyers. These updates clearly show Fiverr's commitment to making Pro the go-to platform for businesses seeking seamless access to elite freelance talent. They're focused on efficiency, better matching, and rewarding long-term partnerships. So there you have it, the 5 critical things to understand about Fiverr Pro in 2025. We've covered what it is, the top 1% vetted elite, who it's ideally suited for, those needing quality and reliability, the significant benefits, expertise, speed, support, the potential downsides, cost, standard refund policy, and the new features enhancing the platform. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs, budget, and the importance of the project. If you're tired of inconsistent results and ready to invest in guaranteed professionalism and top-tier talent for your critical business projects, then Fiverr Pro is almost certainly worth serious consideration. If you want to explore this curated pool of incredible freelancers and experience the difference firsthand, don't forget about that special access link I mentioned. Click the very first link in the description below right now. It takes you straight to the Pro Marketplace, ensuring you're seeing only that top 1% of vetted talent. It's the quickest way to start your next high-impact project with confidence. I really hope this deep dive review was valuable for you. If it helped you make a decision or clarified what Fiverr Pro is all about, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And of course, if you want more reviews, tips, and strategies for growing your business with online tools and talent, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Go check out that Fiverr Pro link, and I'll see you in the next one.